Okay, we have today, I am making pizza on the stove. This was made in a beaker, like so, right? One of these with some flour. So you measure what you need and you just make it. And you flip it over like so. Getting a little crispy. Let's flip it over one more time. Turn down the fire. I have to put the pan on. So I'll put some mozzarella cheese on top. So I put some mozzarella cheese on top. And sprinkle some hot dogs on top. These are cooked already. I have to bring you videos like this. If you like what you see, do subscribe. So this is cheese. This is Mexican cheetah chat. I'm trying to cover it around. I'm not promoting it, but that's what I'm making. Because I don't have no mozzarella, so I have to use it. I thought there was some left. They melt quick. Trust me. And that's it. That's how you make simple to cook. That's unbleached flour. You put it in a beaker. I did show the beaker. I put it in a 4.5 cup or 36 ounces. That in metric would be 950 liter or 1,000 milliliter. Okay, this is done. I don't want to burn it. It's already cooked. That's it. It's done. And then you just slice it up. All right, let me pause it. Whoop. Put it in here. We have to vent out the place a little bit here. And this is how it's gonna look. Okay, I'm gonna put some extra lighting. So, because I usually showcase the food I make, and that's it. But I do apologize we didn't show you the flour, but just make flour, knead it up, throw it in the pan, push it down. If you have a potato smasher, make mashed potatoes. I don't know where mine is. But and all you use a rolling pin, you can roll it out. Makes a nice little meal. Pre-cook the hot dogs first. This is very simple to make. It's very easy to make. And it looks like that. Now what I'll do is I'll just slice it up. Let's see if I can find that. Get my slicer here so you can slice it up. It's gonna be hard. So you slice it the way you want it, and it slices. Unfortunately, I just got the one hand right now. This was something I just thought about making right now. Okay. All right. Hey, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. We're trying to get up to 1,000, and we're getting there. And once we get there, I'll have to make more videos, and just keep making small meals, inexpensive. Oops, it slipped out of my hands. Okay. Hey, thanks a lot for watching.